Ever wished you could know who's calling without even looking at your phone? With a custom ringtone for specific contacts, you can do exactly that. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up a custom ringtone for a specific contact on Android. Step 1. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Contacts app. This is where all your saved contacts are stored. Step 2. Scroll through your contact list or use the search bar to find the person you want to set a custom ringtone for. Once you find them, tap on their name to open their contact details. Step 3. Now, look for the More Options icon. This is usually shown as 3 dots and can be located either at the top right corner or sometimes at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open a menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Change Ringtone Vibration. This option lets you customize sound settings specifically for that contact. Step 5. Next, tap on Ringtone. You'll now see a list of available ringtones already on your device. Step 6. Choose any ringtone you like by tapping on it. If you want to use your own custom sound, tap on the plus icon, browse your files, select your preferred audio, and then tap Done. Step 7. Once selected, tap the back arrow at the top of the screen. This will automatically save your changes. Step 8. You can repeat the same process for other contacts if you want different ringtones for different people. Now you'll always know who's calling just by the sound. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and useful Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.